Alright, so I am back down in my basement, and I am heading into my garage because this is where our corner cabinet is that's going into the office, and it's too big on all sides to go through any of our doors. So I'm going to attempt to dismantle it. It is coming apart, which tells me that it should be easy to dismantle, and I should be able to put it back together in the office. And hopefully I'm going to assemble it in such a way so that if it needs to be moved out of the office, it can be. My normal reaction is to make it very sturdy and glue it all up and make sure it's solid, but if I do that, it'll never come out of the office ever again. So I'll see what I can do. First thing I need to do is take it apart, or try to take it apart. I don't want to damage it in any way. It's pre-1850, so it has hand-cut nails. Okay, so I'm mostly going to be working with a plastic pry bar, which is something I got for taking panels off of your car doors and stuff like that. But this is good for making sure that you're not going to scar any of your wood, do any damage to your antiques. I did bring up a putty knife just in case it's not working for me. It's a little thinner just in case I have to go through into some small areas. And hopefully it won't just fall to pieces on me when I take the straps off of it. Not a lot of holding this together here, is there? I'm going to take this off. So good thing I'm recording this, because that way I can tell how this goes back together. It's got a lot of modern nails in it. That's just to put this back together. Okay, so this is as far as I'm taking it apart. Nothing was glued in this thing, which is cool. I don't think it probably would have been glued together originally. I did want to take the top panels off because that's the section that still has the square nails in it, and I wanted to leave those in. So when I put this together, I'm going to make sure it's square and sits up well. The doors are going to open and close without a problem. Make sure it has feet to sit on. The whole bottom of it has been rotted away. I would say this has been sitting in somebody's barn probably for a long time. A lot of water damage on the bottom end. It's still a beautiful piece. It's made out of beadboard, and none of these beadboards are glued together. So that'll be neat when I finally get this all together upstairs. I will be putting modern nails in it myself. Just leaving the original nails in there, taking out the modern nails that were used to put it together before. And I got this piece of pine that I can make repairs with. Okay, so that's it for today. That's all we got accomplished. Val is not feeling well. She has a stomach ache. She is something that comes and goes for some reason. And today she's having issues with it, so she's already gone to sleep. And tomorrow, hopefully, I can reassemble that cabinet in the office. And she wants me to paint too. Gee, if I ever get to stop painting. So I hope you liked something in this video. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see y'all tomorrow.